friends, a very happy new to all of you. In today's video, we are going to talk about how we can improve our communication skill. Yes, friends, you heard right. Why? Because there is one of my viewers who asked me like how to improve communication skill. Actually, I have uploaded many videos on this topic, but today I just want to summarize once again like what are the things we need to do to improve our communication skill. So without getting any delay, let's get into the video. My name is Anu Mathur and you are watching Anushree English channel. Friends, everybody wants to speak English language very fluently and confidently, but the thing is that we have no environment. Okay, and for learning a language, we need an environment, an ambience, and to learn English language, we need English environment. So, how to create English environment? Friends, by reading and listening, you can create an English environment. Yes, of course you can create. On the daily basis, you need to read something and listen something in English. In my initial stage, I had also the same issue, same problem. I had no environment and I wanted to learn this language and speak it very confidently. So, I created my own environment. How I created my own environment? I just made 5 non-living friends because no one was interested in talking in English. That's why I was bounded to make 5 non-living friends, and I inculcated a habit of listening and reading on the daily basis. Yes, friends, I committed to a daily practice. Every evening, I would listen an audio story and read a story regardless of whether I understood it or not, because I knew that consistent exposure would eventually lead to comprehension. That's why I followed this activity. And friends, in your case also, if you don't understand everything at first, don't worry, just keep listening and reading because you need an environment, English environment, and with the time understanding will follow. You will be accustomed to this habit and understanding will follow, and friends, you will see progress in your speaking skill. You will improve your communication skill. That's how I also improved my communication skill. So earlier I was not very fluent in speaking, I was not very confident in speaking, but nowadays I think like I have that capacity. I can express my thoughts and ideas in this language. So in your case also, if you really want to improve your English in 2026, so you need to do your reading and listening activity. You have to follow reading and listening activity, and simultaneously you have to follow speaking activity. Okay, whatever you are reading and listening, you have to share with your friends. So if you have friends, then it's okay, you can share what you gained from reading, what message you gained, what message you collected in your mind from reading, through reading. And if you have no friends, so you can create your non-living friends. Okay, like watch, AC, cooler, fan, anything you can create, and you can share whatever you listen and read. You have to share with your non-living friends. One thing I have noticed, people keep listening and reading for improving communication skill, but they don't want to speak publicly. Why? Because they think like people, what would happen if they speak and they commit mistake? People are going to laugh at them, they are going to mock them. If this kind of thoughts occurs in your mind, just avoid it, because friends, no one is perfect in the beginning. Okay, everyone starts his journey by making multiple mistakes, and they just improve their mistake, they just learn from their mistake, and they keep moving forward. So same thing you have to do, just keep moving forward. Okay, if you are speaking like wrong English, so don't worry, because by speaking every day, by doing your speaking activity, you will improve your communication skill. And if you really want to improve your communication skill, then you have to do all these activities like reading, listening, and speaking. Okay, friends, everyone who speaks this language in a very good way, they have followed this activity. So in your case also, you have to also follow this activity, listening, reading, and speaking. Like by reading, we get English, we get like many vocabulary as well as grammar rules, and by listening we get pronunciation and tone, pitch of the language. And when we are doing speaking activity, we get confidence, like we build up our fluency and confidence. So the same thing you have to do. Like if you really want to improve your communication skills, so you have to follow all these three activities like listening, reading and speaking. Okay friends, and don't get afraid of making mistake. Everyone makes mistake. Okay, don't let your fear hold you back. Always let your passion drive you forward. Okay, so just keep moving forward, keep listening, reading and speaking on the daily basis, and you will definitely see improvement in your communication skill. If you really want to improve your communication skill, if you really want to speak this language, so you need to create your own English environment. And when you are listening, reading and speaking, definitely you can improve your communication skill. So that's what I just wanted to share with you in today's video. Please, in 2026, keep listening, reading and speaking on the daily basis, and definitely you will see improvement in your communication skill. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling and bye bye.